Question 8 is 3 marks. The first part says, write 5.76 times 10 to the power 4 as an ordinary number. We first look at the power. It's positive number up here. Since it's positive, the decimal goes to the right. How many steps to the right? 4 steps. So it will jump 5.76. So it will jump 1, 2, 3, 4. The decimal comes here. These two empty spaces, you add 2 zeros. We don't need this anymore, and there is no decimal. That's your answer. Now the second part here says, work out this value. 3 times 10 to the power 5 plus 8 times 10 to the power 3, all divided by 4 times 10 to the power of negative 2. You will just need to plug this in your calculator. So 3 times 10 to the power 5 plus 8,000. I just write it like that. It's easier for me. Divide by 4 times 10 to the power of negative 2, which is 0.04. Now, this gave me, on the calculator, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. The question is, if it's calculate allowed, why do they just give you an easy question? This is the trick here. Give your answer in standard form. This number should be between 1 and 9. So we need to have a decimal here. So your answer should be 7.7. And then times 10 to the power of. Now, the decimal moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to the left. So it's positive 6. And that's your answer. So it's 7.7 times 10 to the power of 6. And that's your answer. Was it easy?